Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the phone safe. Plug it in until at least 50%, then boot into safe mode so third-party apps are paused. Once in safe mode, disconnect Wi-Fi and mobile data to block remote commands. Make a quick backup of photos and crucial files to a PC or cloud so you don't lose data. Next, go to Settings, Security, Device Administrators, and immediately revoke any unfamiliar admin privileges. That prevents persistent malware from blocking removal. Once in a safer state, install a reputable antivirus from the Play Store and run a full scan to identify infections and PUPs. Follow the app's removal recommendations. After scanning, review installed apps and uninstall anything you didn't install or don't recognize. Then clear their cache and data to remove leftover payloads. Make sure to inspect permissions, revoke SMS, accessibility, and install unknown apps rights for suspicious apps, because these are commonly abused to persist or steal data. If the infection remains after cleaning, perform a factory reset as a last resort, but only after confirming backups are safe. This wipes apps and data to remove stubborn threats. Once reset, restore files selectively and change all account passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and turn on Play Protect and automatic OS/app updates to prevent reinfection. If malware survives a reset, reflash the stock firmware or contact a professional technician. That deeper step removes compromised system partitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.